Hi, I'm Alex Reilly, CFMP, Vice President and Agency Principal at BANKTASTIC, where we help financial brands build love and loyalty. Today I'd like to talk about branding with purpose. Many of the institutions that we work with have trouble really articulating what makes them different. They tend to describe themselves based on their products and services, and this isn't really a differentiating position to have. And when we ask them, what sets you apart from your competitors, many of them say the same thing. Guess what? They say service. We have amazing service. Well, if everybody's saying that, then it's not really a differentiating position. So today, I'd like to share a couple of examples of banks who really have created a different position, as well as a couple of ways that you can identify and execute on a differentiating position. One institution we worked with, we helped them develop a 4-pillar pledge. And those 4 pillars were ethical, adaptable, customer-centric, and invested. And when we identified these 4 areas, we worked with the client to identify what are the things, what do those things mean, and how do we live them out? And this pledge was something that they published on their website, in their lobbies, so customers would see it when they came in their break rooms, in their employee manuals. So this served not just to tell customers what our pledge is to you, but it also told employees, this is what we expect of you. It told prospective employees, this is what we're like, this is what we stand for. It also gave them a way to make better decisions, not just on how to solve problems or issues, but when opportunities present themselves, they can ask themselves, does this opportunity align with our values? Does it align with our 4 pillars? If it aligns, the answer is yes, let's go after this opportunity. If they don't, then they know they need to let that one go and move on. Not every opportunity is a great opportunity, and so their pledge serves as a great way to vet those and decide, make good decisions. Another bank that we admire has an internal rallying cry of be bold. This is something we've not seen in any other financial institution, and certainly it pushes some of their employees out of traditional comfort zone. It allows them to surprise customers, delight customers by being proactive and really standing out, letting them know, hey, I'm thinking about your business and I have this really great idea. I wanted to share this with you. Or when you're ready to grow, I'm ready to help you. They even incentivize their employees with a small budget so that they can do special things for customers or prospects. And this is really helping them stand out in their community. And then they get together once a week at their staff meetings and they share with each other what they're doing, what works, what doesn't. And this really helps mentor employees that need a little extra help, need an extra push, and it helps them inspire each other to do more and do better. Now, a couple of ways that you can do this internally, things that you need to keep in mind is, number 1, it needs to start with your leadership. It's not enough to tell your employees this is what's expected. You have to demonstrate it. You need to model the behavior, model those actionable ways that you're going to live out that brand promise, and let it work its way through your entire organization. This way, no matter where a customer is, if they're in one branch or another, if they're interacting with somebody on your front lines or somebody in a back office, or they're online, they're interacting with your social media or with your website, that there is that brand promise is permeating every channel and every touch point. And that really helps reinforce the authenticity of your brand promise as well as consistency. You need to ask yourself 4 questions. Why are we doing this? What are our goals and how will we know when we reach those goals? How are we going to deliver on this brand promise? Specifically, what are we going to do? And lastly, who are we targeting? Who are we speaking to? Because I'm here to tell you, it's not everybody. If you can check all 4 boxes and answer those 4 questions, then you are well on your way of building a strategic, strong, differentiating brand that will build love and loyalty with your customers and prospects for a long time to come. Thank you so much.